cleared out. Blue skies and the sun came out. I'm not expecting that anytime soon.
They said that won't be till this afternoon.
Oh, look.
What?
They're awake. They got their fireplace going. Eventually, we'll start hearing people. It's just most everybody's probably still asleep.
I didn't sleep.
I was asleep till you woke me up. Now that's a beautiful sound to hear in the morning.
Wind chimes and snow.
Other than screaming tires everywhere.
It's actually so peacefully quiet.
It's beautiful.
Shh. There's no noise. I'm being threatened on video.
Suffocate you in the snow.
All you have to do is push me and I'm down.
I'm gonna go to the road.
School bells just went off.
Oh my God, it's so sick.
Yeah, they weren't lying when they made the predictions they did. Careful, please. That's a little bit more icy.
Cat.
What cat? Where? I'm not coming down there.
That's a cat.
I'll die.
Come here, man. Oh, that's a cold wind. Be careful. Watch out.
Yeah, that is a cat. Aww.
Kitty.
Kitty, kitty, kitty. I think it's frozen. No, that might not be a cat. It's just, go see if it's alive.
It might not be a cat.
Okay.
Holy crap, that was cold. We're not mailbox. I was about to say, it wasn't open. You never get mail again. Oh, look, it was a cat. It's gone.
Aw. You should go rescue it.
Look, there it is. It's on the sidewalk.
I saw it.
Oh my God, that wind is cool. Winter Wonderland. I can't stop talking.
I hear kids.
Yeah.
Okay.
Back inside.